皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のAyana です。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit in Japanese and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the 10 nouns for beginners. I will first present the image, followed by the corresponding Japanese letters. And by the end of the lesson, maybe you will not only expand your vocabulary, but also acquire correct pronunciation and familiarity with hiragana letters. Are you ready? Let's get started. I will first present the image, followed by the corresponding Japanese letters. And this, maybe I hope this approach allow you to associate with the words and with the visuals and make it easier to memorize compared to just memorize just the letters alone. Then additionally, we will practice pronunciation together. So let's learn the vital nouns. 日本語で名詞を覚えましょう。覚えよう means let's memorize. Let's get started. 家、家。Repeat after me. 家。食べ物、食べ物。食べ物。飲み物、飲み物。飲み物。買い物、買い物、買い物。買い物。水、水、水。Or you can add o in front to make it polite, which is お水。時間、時間、時間、時間。仕事、仕事、仕事、仕事。お金、お金、お金、お金。車、車、車、車。学校、学校、学校、学校。Okay, so then this time let's check if you can memorize. Of course, I don't expect you to memorize quickly, but maybe you can test yourself. I will present the same image so you can answer. I will ask you what is this, which is これは何ですか? So you can respond if you can remember them. Let's get started. これは何ですか? 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 これは何ですか？これは何ですか？これは何ですか？これは何ですか？はい。では、このレッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。So that's for the today's lesson. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching. もしもっと学びたかったら、オンラインコース、下にあるので、チェックしてみてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please consider to enroll in one of my online courses where you will have the access to all my lessons videos, and you can also ask questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more detail below. I will see you in the next video. それではまた、さようなら。